In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record full-screen video in OBS Studio step by step. Whether you want to record tutorials, gameplay, presentations, or your entire desktop, this method will make sure your recording is full HD and perfectly fitted to your screen. OBS Studio is completely free and one of the most powerful screen recording tools available, but if your settings aren't configured properly, you can end up with black bars, blurry video, or the wrong monitor being captured. So I'll walk you through everything from setting the correct resolution to adding your display and starting your recording the right way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical OBS tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is set the correct resolution inside OBS Studio. Go to the bottom right corner and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Video tab on the left side. Here you'll see two important options: Base Canvas Resolution and Output Resolution. The base canvas resolution should match your monitor's resolution, and for most people, that will be 1920 by 1080. Set this to 1920 by 1080. Then set the output resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well to ensure you're recording exports in full HD. Keeping both of these the same prevents scaling issues and keeps your video sharp. Once you've set both values to 1920 by 1080, click OK to apply the changes. Now that your resolution is set correctly, the next step is to add your full screen as a source. In the main OBS window, look at the Sources dock near the bottom. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list, select Display Capture. This option records your entire monitor, not just a single app or window. Give the source a name if you'd like, then click OK. In the next window, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose which monitor to record. If you only have one monitor, it will select it automatically. If you have multiple monitors, make sure you choose the correct one. Once selected, click OK. You should now see your entire desktop appearing in the preview window. If you notice that the red bounding box around your screen does not fully fill the canvas, don't worry, this is very common and easy to fix. Right-click on the display capture source inside the Sources dock. Hover over Transform, and then click on Fit to Screen. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This will automatically resize your display capture so it perfectly matches the 1920 by 1080 canvas. Make sure the edges align exactly with the preview window. When it fills the screen with no black borders, you're ready to record. Now it's time to start recording. On the bottom right side of OBS, inside the Control Stalk, click on Start Recording. OBS will immediately begin recording everything happening on your selected monitor. You can minimize OBS if you'd like, and it will continue recording in the background. When you're finished, simply return to OBS and click Stop Recording. Your video will automatically be saved to your default recording folder, which you can check by going to Settings and then Output if you ever need to change the save location. And that's it. You now know how to record full-screen video in OBS Studio in full HD without black bars or scaling issues. Just remember, set your resolution first, add display capture, fit it to the screen, and then start recording. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more OBS Studio guides and screen recording tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.